Hey learners, welcome to the Nav Nerds.
In the previous video, we have seen the bin management, where a person makes the purchase order and the person is also responsible for the put away of the product in the warehouse to that particular bin. But the condition changes if the person who purchases the goods and the person who physically receives those goods are often two different persons. For example, our purchase agents creates purchase order for some products. But when these products arrive at that location, at that warehouse, the warehouse employee is responsible for checking and receiving them. So, how we can handle this separation in the business central? So, we will see in this video. And first, let's understand the scenario. Purchasing department purchase some products, create purchase order, and then purchase order is released. The warehouse team creates warehouse receipt and that receipt is received or posted by the warehouse employee and at last it's add to our inventory. So that's would be our process from the purchasing of the product and to the delivery into the inventory. So first I have to make some changes in the location. So I have created this warehouse receipt and I have to turn this boolean on require receipt and for the bin mandatory also so that the both person can do their work separately. And for the bins I have created three bins here, WR1, WR2 and the WR3. So let's move on to the purchase order. Creating a new one and the vendor name let be first step consultants. And for the location code I have to select that one, WR, and the bin I'm choosing here WR1. So now we have making our purchase order with the location code as WR and the bin as WR1. For now, I have to release it. Make sure that I'm not posting this. I have only released this. And in the warehouse receipt, I'm creating new here. And the location code, I have to check this, set this. As I don't have any lines of the purchase code, I have to get the source document and here it is. Here's the bin code and the location, quantity to receive. So from here, I will have to post this. My warehouse receipt have been posted. I will check in the purchase order. That's it. We have received our quantity. and here's it is. The location code is WR, and if we check our inventory, and that's the transaction we have posted recently with the location code WR and the bin code is WR1. So that's the purchasing and the warehouse processes can be handled separately in the Business Central. The purchasing user creates and releases the purchasing order while the warehouse user receives the goods using warehouse receipt. And by enabling the require receipt on the location, we can make sure that the warehouse team follows a separate receiving process instead of directly receiving the goods from the purchase order. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.